Hi, in this video, I'll walk you through the latest update to GrowthWheel Online. GrowthWheel is already your CRM for clients and advisors. With this update, it is now your CRM for resource partners too. Resource Partners is a new feature that lets you manage the organizations you refer clients to, all in one place. To find it, open the Network menu. You will see a new submenu called Resource Partners. To add a new partner, click Add Resource Partner. You can enter the organization's name, add a picture, fill in business information, set the partner since date, and choose a sector and type. To log a referral, open a partner and go to the client list section. Add the client you have referred. The client does not receive a notification. This is for your internal tracking. You can also do this from the client side. Open a client profile. Go to Team under the business profile. You will see all resource partners linked to that client, and you can add or create a new partner from there. If you already have a list of partners in Excel or another file, you do not need to enter them manually. Contact us at support@growthwheel.com to import your resource partners for you. We hope this update helps you replace your spreadsheets with a CRM that keeps track of all your connected relationships. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.